Hi and welcome. I'm trying to learn space science. Today, what is a planet? And after we've done that, we're going to do shoulder impingement training. And if you participate in shoulder impingement training, that's the honest. What is a planet? Now, question at the beginning. Isn't a planet a huge ball-shaped object that orbits the sun? Like most things in space, it's not that simple. So not every ball-shaped thing which orbits around the sun is a planet. The Earth is a ball-shaped object which travels around the sun. The Earth is a planet, but not everything ball-shaped which travels around the sun is a planet. It's not that simple. The list of planets in our solar system has changed several times in the last 150 years. So people had the planets in the solar system, and they had Earth and Mars, we heard, and Saturn and Venus. But in the last 150 years, a couple of times they changed back and forth to add and to subtract some. Scientists believed there were 9 planets until 2006. So until 2006 did the people believe that there are 9 planets in the solar system, Earth one of them. But then it happened something. Today they say that planets must have gravity strong enough to pull in any other large objects or push them back out of their path. And there are 8 planets in our solar system that fit in this rule. In the next part we're having more to Pluto. Okay, what is the... Today they say, so people are saying now a planet is something which has the gravity strong enough to pull in any other large objects. Okay, gravity pulls things to it, and the more mass something has, like the Earth is very big, has a lot of mass, the Earth pulls things to it. Or push them back out of their path. I think they mean if something has, if an object comes, that planet then has to draw it to it. And 8 planets are in the solar system who can do that. Having a gravity strong enough to pull in other things, and also enough gravity to have an influence on the path of another object going into in the solar system. In the next part we will have more to Pluto, because Pluto is the one who in 2006 was said hasn't have enough gravity to pull things to it. Okay, so what is basically the question? What is a planet? We're having the begin. There are 8 in the solar system, the Earth is one of them. And since 2006, the Pluto is no longer one, because what is a planet? A planet is an object which has the ability to pull in large objects or to push them out of their path. We will get certainly in future parts a better answer, even better understandable. But for now, that has to be enough. Now, if you were just here for space science, for what is a planet, something which has gravity enough to pull things to it and to have influence on the path of another object, then you can go directly to the next video, where we will have probably more to Pluto. We will do now short impingement training. If you participate in the short impingement training, better set your own risk. Legs are standing on the shoulder with wide apart. We're doing forward shoulder circles. We come back, up, and front, and down. And the last one. And now backwards. Front, up, back, and down. And the last one. And now long arms, strong fists. And go as far back as you can with the shoulders. High up, and front, and down, and back. And down, and now again up and back and down and in front and up and back and down. And the next exercise, legs wide apart, we go into the knees, we're hinging forward with a straight back, let the arms hang, and pinch the scapulars together, do it with effort, pinch the scapulars together. Now make fists, lift the arms up and stand. Pinch the scapulars together. The arms down and the shoulders. And the second round. Pinch the scapulars together again with that. Make fists, lift the arms up and step, pinch the scapulars together. The arms down, scapulars. And next exercise, into the knees, hinge forward, the round back this time, let the arms hang, make fists, turn the arms to the inside, lift the arms high up and bring them together. Straighten slowly up and bring the shoulders down and together. Now, the arms high up and together, shoulders down, hands together. Again with the side. And release. And another time. Into the knees, hinge forward, the round back, let the arms hang, make fists, and the arms to the inside. Lift the arms high up and bring them together. Straighten up, bring the shoulders down and together. The arms high up and together. Shoulders down and together. And release. And next exercise, just lift the arms up. If this exercise causes pain, we don't do it. We're doing this exercise basically just to observe what the scapulars are doing. We just want to find out whether the scapulars are protruding or not. And now the arms at the side, and we bring them in front and back. The scapula should always follow the humerus of the arm. Now the scapulars are coming to the outside of the ribcage, and now back together. Again to the outside of the ribcage, and back together. The last time. Now just the stretching. One arm in front, the shoulders back and down, back and down. Pull the arm in, hair flat fingers, try to relax the arm and go back with the shoulder. Shoulders back and down, pull the arm in, hair flat fingers, try to relax the arm and go back with the shoulder. And taking the other arm in, shoulders back, down, pull the arm in, hair flat fingers, try to relax the arm and go back with the shoulder. And that was the shoulder and pinch training. I thank you very much and until next time.